Steven Bartlett is the youngest ever dragon to join BBC's Dragon's Den panel. The Botswana-born businessman replaces Tej Lalvani for the 19th season of the show. 2. Steven Bartlett is set to join this year's lineup of DragonsCredit, PA. How old is Steven Bartlett? Steven is the youngest dragon at only 29 years old. The Mancunian runs several companies and has also published a book, Happy Sexy Millionaire: Unexpected Truths About Fulfillment, Love, and Success. Steven dropped out of university to run the social chain and media chain, which he founded at age 22. 5 years later he took the firm public, and in 2021 he announced 2 new companies, Third Web and Flight Story. Steven has 1.2 million followers on Instagram. His book made the Sunday Times bestseller list, while his podcast, The Diary of a CEO, regularly tops listener number charts. Bartlett has been featured in Forbes' 30 Under 30 list and has won accolades at the Black British Business Awards. What is Steven Bartlett's net worth? Bartlett's companies, the social chain and media chain, are currently valued at £300 million. According to Forbes magazine, the entrepreneur was valued at $96 million when he was just 26 years old. 2. Steven Bartlett is replacing Tej Lalvani on the hit show for budding business entrepreneurs Credit, BBC. When is Dragon's Den on TV? Dragon's Den Season 19 will kick off tonight, January 6, 2022, on BBC One. Steven joins the other dragons, Peter Jones, Deborah Meaden, Tucker Sulema, and Sarah Davis. Bartlett told the BBC that he has been watching the show since he was 12, and that it gave a first window into the real world of business and investing. Bartlett said being appointed to the role is a tremendous honor. He said he hopes to represent a new generation of entrepreneurs, inspiring young and specifically underrepresented entrepreneurs to follow in my footsteps.